What's going on, guys? Jeremy here with Chaos Motorsports. We have another fun and exciting oil change video for you. Today we're going to be doing it on our 2019 Dodge Ram. This is the new version. A little dirty right now. The owner doesn't do such a good job at keeping it clean, so we're going to get on there a little bit after this. I'm just joking. It's snowing outside. There's a bunch of snow. So the oil that's recommended is a 5W20 weight. Pricer says that you only need to use conventional motor oil, but we like using the full synthetic. And then we're going to be replacing the oil filter with the Mopar SRT oil filter that was developed for the Dodge Viper. We've used this on our 5.7 Charger and our 6.4 Challenger. It is a fantastic filter, all steel construction. The bypass valve in here is stronger than most, so it helps make sure that none of that dirty oil gets back into the system. Again, our little PSA is, change your motor oil. If you want to do something for your vehicle to increase the longevity, change the oil in it. All right, so we're going to get started. I already took off the fill cap up here to sort of help everything drain quicker, and now we're going to get it up in the air and start changing some oil. Alrighty, so we've got our oil drain right here. It's really nice that we got this beautiful sway bar for the oil to drip onto. We're probably going to try to hold a funnel up there and see if that will help us out to not make quite the mess that we don't want to clean up. And then if you look right up, where to go? Right up under here. You look right up under there. There's our oil filter. And another nice little spot that should be easy to get out. That bolt right there is a 1/2 inch. Went ahead and loosened it. I'm going to try to hopefully my idea is to hopefully put this in here and catch the oil. Let's see if it works. Fingers crossed, people. Fingers crossed. Alright, we're going to throw this plug back in because I need the pan to pull the oil filter. Clean up some of this oil. Alright, we'll move this over to the fun one. This is going to be an experience. Right through here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I see it.
You just got to grip it and rip it. Got snow falling off the vehicle. Oh yeah.
go. Alrighty, now we're gonna get our new filter in there. All right. Here we go. All right, now we got our filter up in there. Next thing we're gonna do is lower the vehicle back down and start give her some fresh oil. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and start putting some oil in here, 5W20 as it says right on the cap there. Let me take a quick second while you're watching this video. Why don't you go ahead and hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, you know, in case you get another vehicle and need to know how to change the oil on that one. We can help you out. You know, check out chaosmotorsports.com. We've got a lot of great products on there for Hemi powered vehicles, Chargers, Challengers, a couple things for the Ram. We're working to get more. If you don't see anything that you're really looking for on our website, go ahead and send us a message. We've got a lot of accounts with other companies. We're really trying to make sure we can be your go-to spot. Entire Hemi lineup. Now I'm sure Jackie will do some fancy time lapse for this, some weird music, maybe a sloth sleeping. That's it, 7 quarts of oil. Alrighty, now we're inside of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and work on resetting the oil change indicator, whatever you want to call it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and press the start button and get it to run and on, but you're not going to push on the brake to start the vehicle. So now what it says to do is push the gas in 3 times slowly. Within 10 seconds. And then shut it off. Now we're going to see if this worked. I always like opening the door to make sure that it reset. Go ahead and start the vehicle. Nothing popping up. It's looking like we did it correctly. Awesome.